seems to be no end to the troubles for the Trinamool Congress, which is already battling the doctors' protest over the RG Kar horror. Senior party leader Jawahar Sarkar has resigned from his Rajya Sabha post days after he wrote to the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, informing her about his intentions. In his letter to the West Bengal Chief Minister on Sunday, remember, Jawahar Sarkar had lambasted the government and the party for its handling of the RG Kar rape and murder case. He also attacked the Mamata government, claiming that a timely decision over the incident would have restored normalcy in the state. Let me go back to my colleague Adrija for more on this. Adrija, that move by Jawahar Sarkar now being implemented, he had announced it. Now he's submitted his resignation as MP, despite the fact that Mamata Banerjee had tried to convince him to not go forward with his decision.
Not only as an MP of Rajya Sabha of the TMC, but also at the same time, as he have said it, mentioned in the letter that he will be quitting politics altogether. In Sunday, he
mentioned in the letter that he will be quitting politics altogether. In Sunday evening itself, a phone call conversation happened between Mamata Banerjee and him, where he has stated all the grievances that he had, and Mamata Banerjee definitely, have listened to it. They have had a conversation. They have in fact had a long conversation. But of course, Jawahar Sarkar remains firm on his stand that he will be quitting from the position as an MP of Rajya Sabha, and at the same time quitting politics altogether. So today, of course, it is being implemented. He has announced it, and definitely, we are seeing that the entire RG Kar incident was also cited in his letter. At the same time, certain corruption charges were also cited in his letter. He have also claimed that he was heckled by senior party leaders previously. So, of course, all these allegations have come in, all these grievances of Jawahar Sarkar have come to surface. But, of course, even after the phone call conversation with the CM, the Supremo of TMC itself, at the same time, today he will be resigning. Of course, he's still firm at his decision of quitting politics altogether and also resigning as a member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha of the TMC.
Right, Adrija, thanks very much for joining us with all the latest from West Bengal. Of course, viewers, we will keep getting you the latest of what transpires in that meeting between the protesting junior doctors and the West Bengal government. So far as we know,